Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I'm going to share with you characteristics features of operation research. Interdisciplinary team approach. This requires an interdisciplinary team including individual with skills in mathematics, statistics, economics, engineering, material science, computer, etc. Holistic approach to the system. While evaluating any decision, the important interaction and their impact on the whole organization against the function originally involved are reviewed. Methodological approach OR utilize the scientific method to solve the problem. Objective approach OR attempts to find the best or optimal solution to the problem under consideration, taking into account the goal of the organization. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe our YouTube channel Study with Harshit. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video.